Hey, what's up guys? It's Nicole Faulkner, aka Lipstick Nick, Morphe's Director of Global Artistry, and this is the Filter Effect Foundation. There's so many things that I love about this foundation, mostly that it has a lot of skincare benefits such as hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and it also has a soft matte filter-like finish that actually looks like your natural skin when it dries down. This new Filter Effect foundation comes in 40 shades with 4 different undertones represented: pink, golden, olive, and neutral. I love using a brush first to disperse my product all over the face. I then take a sponge and I'll shear out any areas that I may have over applied, especially laugh lines or any area that you have fine lines. If you're someone that needs a little bit more coverage, try using a dry sponge with a little bit more product to build the coverage in that specific area.